Hello everyone, this is Morgan, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to play the worship song, "O Come to the Altar." As always, in the links below, I'll provide links to the chords that I play and how to play them, and also the sheet that includes, for this particular song, the strumming pattern, the chords, and then also the lyrics. So you guys can print it out. That's all you need to lead worship, play along with this song. The song is in 6/8 time. With beats accented the 1 and 4. It's a little unusual, but pretty easy to play once you get the hang of it. So counting out loud, it's in general 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The strumming pattern that I've selected for the song is down, up, 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 down. So I'll just play along, starting an E chord and then switching to an A chord and just playing a couple measures of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As I play along the song, you'll notice that I don't always stick to that strumming pattern. If you need to, you can stick to it. It'll sound great throughout the song. But kind of in between phrase and chorus and leading to the bridge, learn to change your strumming patterns for effect. That's something that you should learn how to do, and something that I will probably do as I play along throughout this tutorial. So let's talk about the verse. Let's talk about the song. It has 2 verses, chorus, a bridge, and then a little verse outro at the very end. The song is in the key of E. Normal E chords. We have an E, we have an A major, we have a C sharp minor, and then we have a F sharp minor. And again, how I play each of these chords will be linked below in the description. So the intro and the first verse. The way I intro into the song is just play a measure of E, a measure of A, a measure of E, and a measure of A, and then on into the first verse. The first verse itself is just 3 chords, E, A, and C sharp minor. Starts off with E, E, goes to an A, then an E, then an A, then an F, then a C sharp minor, and back to the A. And that repeats once for the verse, for the entire verse. So I'll just play the verse once through without singing, and then I'll pick up the lyrics the second time I play it through. Starting off with an E. A, E, A, C sharp minor, A. Have you hurting and broken within, overwhelmed by the weight of your sin? Jesus is calling. Have you come to the end of yourself? Do you thirst for a drink from the well? Jesus is calling. Okay, so that's the chorus. Sorry, that's the first verse. And again, to intro that song, I'll just play E, A, E, A. Let me just do it for you right now. And the verse starts on the second half of the first measure, so don't start exactly at the downbeat. So that's how I intro the song. The chorus has 4 chords, or same chords as the verse, just adding an F sharp minor in there. And I'll just play through that. E, F sharp minor, a measure and a half of C sharp minor, back to the A. So I repeat that twice for the entire chorus. So I'll just play through it once without singing, and then I'll add the lyrics the second time through. Oh, come to the altar. So that's the whole chorus. I'll play verse once, chorus once, and then back to the verse again. And the little intro to start the song, I'll play that again before I play verse 2. So I'll just start the last phrase of the chorus to show you guys that little interlude. Start with the C-sharp minor. Precious blood of Jesus Christ. Leave behind your regrets and mistakes. Yeah, so I play the verse again, or play the second verse, and then back to the chorus again, and then onto the bridge. So the bridge, same chords, a little different strumming pattern, with a caveat is most of the chords here are held for 2 measures instead of just 1. So we'll have 2 measures of an E, half a measure of A, 2 measures of E, C-sharp minor, 2 measures of A, and then back to the E. So play that twice, and that is the entire bridge, and I'll usually play the bridge through twice. So I'll just play through it once without singing, and then add lyrics a second time through. Oh, what a Savior, isn't He wonderful? Sing hallelujah, Christ is risen. Bow down before Him, for He is Lord of all. Sing I usually play through the bridge twice, so just repeat that once, repeat that again, and then after that I'll go straight into the chorus for the last chorus. So I'll just begin at the last of the bridge. Wait, let me start with the C-sharp minor. Sing hallelujah, Christ is risen. Oh, come to the altar, the Father's arms are open. Yep, so I'll play the chorus a third time and the last time, and then we'll have a little verse outro, which is the same chords as the verse. So transition between the last chorus and this outro, let's play E A E A, and then I'll just kind of demo that for you right quick. The precious blood of Jesus Christ. Bear the cross as you wait for the crown. Tell the world of the treasure you found. So that's the song. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Other than that, hope you enjoy playing.